an IKEA haul. So beside me are two IKEA bags because we went there earlier to buy some stuff for our new room. So let's begin. First, we have this Razer round mirror. So simple lang siya, like bilog lang talagang mirror wherein didikit namin siya sa wall sa bathroom. And then next one is this. Actually, it's kind of big and heavy. Hindi ko na siya maaangat, pero andito siya sa harap ko. This one is a drawer. Gagamitin ko siya sa new workstation ko. I will be posting a separate video for this one, so watch out for it. And kasama nitong drawer is these two stands. So I'm not sure if nai-imagine nyo, pero yan, ganyan siya. And then the drawer. And then on the top is a platform, which is nandito naman siya. Hindi ko na din siya liwanag. Ayan, hindi ko na din siya bubuhatin kasi mabigat. 3 pieces na loofah. And then next is this sprayer. Bumili lang din ako. And the other one is this utensil holder. 2 rug. This is for the bathroom. Ayan, color gray. Actually, 2 colors yung available, pero nag-stick lang kami sa 1 color, which is gray. Cover for the microwave oven. That's it. Also bought, hindi ko na siya papakita kasi baka bawal dito. Pero we also bought na, yeah, 3 pieces to. Yeah. Of course, if there's a we also bought this one. Matagal ko na itong inaay sa IKEA and sabi ko, kapag nagkabahay ako, bibili ako nito. Ito yung lalagyan nito, pinakita ko kanina. So yeah. Hindi ko na muna siya i-open, medyo mabigat siya. Next one, we bought lint roller. So, dalawa. We bought this toothbrush holder. Also this two na isa-suction mo lang siya. Tapos, yan. Lalagyan na siya ng mga kung ano-ano. Shampoo, conditioner, and etc. Hangers. So, we have 4. We also bought this funnel. Color yellow. 1 color lang siya. So, we bought this scissors. And last but not the least, dito sa first bag, we bought this. Sobrang cute. Ang cute niya. Nakita na ko kaya binili ko pareho. So, this is me and this is John. Okay. Let's move to the other bag. First is this organizer na ilalagay ko dun sa drawer once na-assemble na namin. This is, I bought 2 plants as a plantita. Actually, iba yung pot niya, so it's being sold separately. So, nilagay ko na lang siya because it fits well. Actually, more of glass plates. Ano ba? Bowl. Yun. Ayun, yung mga nandito. Hindi ko na siya bubuklatin kasi baka mabasag pa. Pero ayun lang yung nandito sa bag na to aside from this plants and this organizer. So, that's it. These are all, medyo magulo siya. These are all the things that we bought earlier. Thank you for watching!